Hello, smart student, and welcome. Today we will be defining academic research. We will also be going through a step-by-step guide on how to carry out an academic research. Today's lesson is a crucial one for beginners. Please keep it here until the end. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and please subscribe.
Academic research is a systematic investigation. It's about asking questions and finding answers. Researchers use established methods to collect and analyze data. This data helps to answer the research questions. The goal is to advance knowledge and understanding. Academic research takes many forms. It can involve experiments in a laboratory. It can be based on observations in the real world. Researchers might analyze texts or historical records. The type of research depends on the question being asked. Academic research is a rigorous process. It follows specific guidelines and ethical considerations. This ensures the validity and reliability of the findings. The results of academic research are often shared through publications and presentations. Academic research plays a vital role in our society. It is the engine of progress in various fields. Research leads to new discoveries and innovations. These advancements improve our lives in countless ways. In medicine, research leads to new treatments and cures for diseases. It helps us understand the causes of illnesses and how to prevent them. In technology, research drives the development of new devices and systems. It fuels advancements in computing, communication, and other areas. Academic research also informs public policy and decision-making. By providing evidence-based insights, research helps policymakers develop effective solutions to social and environmental challenges. It helps us understand complex issues and make informed choices. The first step in any research project is choosing a research question. This is the question that your research will aim to answer. A good research question should be clear, focused, and researchable. Start by thinking about your interests. What are you curious about? What topics fascinate you? Once you have a general area of interest, narrow it down to a specific question. For example, instead of researching climate change, you might focus on the impact of climate change on coastal communities. A well-defined research question provides direction for your research. It helps you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked. Once you have a research question, you need to conduct a literature review. This involves reading and analyzing existing research on your topic. A literature review helps you understand the current state of knowledge. You can find research articles, books, and other relevant sources. Use keywords related to your topic to search online databases and library catalogs. When reading through sources, take detailed notes. Summarize the main findings, arguments, and methods of each source. Pay attention to any gaps or unanswered questions in the existing research. A thorough literature review provides the foundation for your research. Based on your literature review, you can formulate a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a testable statement that predicts the relationship between variables. It is an educated guess that you will test through your research. For example, your hypothesis might be, students who participate in study groups perform better in exams. Your research will then aim to find evidence that either supports or refutes this hypothesis. Not all research projects require a hypothesis. Some research is exploratory, aiming to explore a topic rather than test a specific prediction. However, having a hypothesis provides a clear direction for your research. The next step is to design your research. This involves choosing a research method that aligns with your research question and hypothesis. There are various research methods, each with strengths and weaknesses. Quantitative research uses numerical data to identify patterns and relationships. Surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis are common methods. Qualitative research, on the other hand, explores complex social phenomena through interviews, observations, and text analysis. The research method you choose will depend on the nature of your research question and the type of data you need to collect. Once you have a research design, you can start collecting data. Data collection methods vary depending on your chosen method. In surveys, you collect data through questionnaires. In experiments, you manipulate variables and measure the outcomes. After collecting data, you need to analyze it. This involves organizing, cleaning, and interpreting the data to answer your research question. Data analysis can be done manually or using statistical software. The findings of your data analysis will help you draw conclusions and answer your research question. It is important to use appropriate analytical techniques to ensure the validity of your findings. The final step in the research process is to present your findings. This could involve writing a research paper, creating a poster presentation, or giving an oral presentation. When presenting your findings clearly and concisely, communicate your research question, methods, results, and conclusions. Use visuals such as charts and graphs to present your data in a clear and engaging way. Be prepared to answer questions about your research and defend your findings. Sharing your research is an important part of the research process. It allows others to learn from your work and contribute to the ongoing conversation in your field. Section 9. Tips for new researchers. Starting your journey in academic research can seem daunting, but here are a few tips to help you on your way. Start small. Don't feel pressured to tackle a massive research question right away. Begin with a smaller, manageable project to gain experience. Seek guidance. Don't be afraid to ask for help from professors, librarians, or more experienced researchers. Manage your time. Research takes time. Break down your project into smaller tasks and create a realistic timeline. Read widely. Expand your knowledge by exploring research beyond your immediate field of study. Remember that research is a journey of discovery. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your successes along the way.